you get the certification with some experience, like hands-on experience for like maybe 6 months, let's say. So that will definitely help you out getting a job. I do have like in this like background while my academics, like I have done my computer science in engineering in computer science, and also did my master's in sensors and networks. And also I have worked in like one or two companies with the hardware and software support. But then I got to join like Industry Connect with like few of the learning materials for data analysis. And then this is why like I found the Industry Connect, and after joining the Industry Connect, now I'm in like data analyst role. Pretty much like one of my friend was just like not ready for the job because of the some skills and hands-on experience he wants to get. And then he got to know about the Industry Connect, and so as to like he told me about the Industry Connect. And this is where like I just inquired you guys over the phone and get everything sorted and came on board. The 6 weeks job ready program was a great experience for me, and doing it remotely via Zoom, and also like it's very convenient and allowed me to connect with the real skilled tutors like who has experience in their skills in the same role. And also like it's been comfort from work, like getting the knowledge just from my comfort zone, that is home. So yeah, it was pretty much a great experience with Industry Connect, where we all as a community came together to learn and grow. Plus like timing is really too good as well. Like after the work you can just join the sessions, and if you missed out the sessions you can just speak to tutors, and then they will help you out with the things to learn. And if you want to go through like a lot more in the same area, then the tutors will definitely help you out with that. They are very easy to communicate, they're down to earth. So yeah, they are very approachable as well. So yeah, you can just ping them on Slack, and then yeah, they will get in touch with you. As you have told, like communication is the key, like for this role, I really believe like after joining into a company, I really believe that communication is like foremost key for the data analyst, because you have to communicate with different stakeholders internally, and then you're gonna get their demands, like what their demands is, what their requirements is regarding the reporting things, data analysis things. So when I joined Industry Connect, it was like really a good program for like just giving us the understanding about data and what are the tools and techniques that we use in the industry as well, in the market. And then I gained a deeper understanding of data analysis techniques and tools during that Industry Connect program. And I also learned like how to apply these skills in a real world scenario. And then the transition was pretty smooth when going to MVP for the training or internship. And pretty much, yeah, it was really a good thing. Like I've gained my skills and then used those skills in the internship, where I have exposed myself in like practical hands-on experience.